Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Disney Speedstorm error code 17/5. The error reads, "Something went wrong. Contact us with the following code." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to race in Disney Speedstorm. The error is likely caused by equipping a system-exclusive suit on one platform and then trying to play on another system. Or in some cases, other things may also cause this error. If you are playing on a different system than before and have equipped a system-exclusive suit, switch the racer's suit to a normal one. After making this change, try racing again. If the error still appears, check if the game needs an update. If an update is available, install it and see if this fixes the issue. If none of the previous solutions work, we suggest reaching out to Disney Speedstorm support and reporting the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.